Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to compare two popular coffee machines, the Breville Barista Touch and the DeLonghi Magnifica Evo. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting product reviews. The Breville Barista Touch costs USD $879, whereas the DeLonghi Magnifica Evo is priced at USD $599. Both products come with user manuals or guides to help set up the machine. It is essential to go through them before the first use. The DeLonghi Magnifica Evo offers 6 one-touch recipes with color icons, including espresso, coffee, Americano, iced coffee, long, and steam. The Breville Barista Touch does not offer one-touch recipes. The DeLonghi Magnifica Evo has a built-in conical burr grinder with 13 settings, while the Breville Barista Touch has a conical burr grinder with 30 settings. The Breville Barista Touch has an automatic steam wand for milk frothing, whereas the DeLonghi Magnifica Evo comes with a traditional milk frother to prepare perfectly textured foam with milk and milk alternatives. Both machines have removable and dishwasher-safe parts for easy cleaning. That's it for our comparison of the Breville Barista Touch and the DeLonghi Magnifica Evo. We hope this video helped you decide which coffee machine suits your needs. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting product reviews.